Welcome to Ecolodge, one of the hotel options here at Futuroscope. In this video we're going to give you a quick tour of the Ecolodge and show you what it's like to stay in one of the standard cabins. Located just 5 minutes from the entrance to both Futuroscope and Aquascope is the Ecolodge. Once you've checked in and you've been given your room, you can make your way to your lodge. There's no vehicle access inside of this hotel, but you do have these wagons to take your luggage to your room. So let's take you inside and show you one of the cabins. Inside of the main room there is a double bed along with a dining area and complimentary cutlery to use whilst you're there. Plug sockets and light switches are at either side of the bed, and there is a full length mirror at the end of the room too. The bathroom has a shower, a sink and a toilet, and there's also some hanging space to be able to put your towels after you've used them. There is storage space directly opposite the front. There isn't any air conditioning inside of the Ecolodge, but they do provide a fan in case it gets too warm. And then finally we move into the kids' bedroom, where there are 2 single beds along with 2 light switches and the plug socket in the middle. And finally, every single Ecolodge does have a balcony, so you can look out there in the morning whilst having your breakfast.